Hey, what's up, peeps? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. I'm doing, what is it? Green coconut curry. I'm just finishing it up. Just want to bring you some content tonight. I have other videos on how to make this like a pro, like a motherfucking pro. Yeah, but I'm just checking in with what I'm doing tonight. Then we got some rice. That's what I'm actually waiting for to start digging in. Gotta get that rice all good and ready and not all moist and sticky, you know. You gotta sweat it out or dry it out, I guess. I don't know, whatever. But you gotta have that firm rice, you know. Can't just have it be all slimy and wet and shit. So gonna steam it out a little bit, probably another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna dig in like a motherfucking pro on this shit. So easy too. Cilantro on that bitch. Yeah, gotta have that cilantro, man. You know? And I just put a couple dashes of coriander in there, which is basically the same as cilantro, but just hooking it up. About to put a dash of this in there too. And there we go, you guys. Check that out. Fucking looking all fucking good here. Thumbnail right here. Alright. Yeah, let me try this out. There it is, all mixed up. You see it's still steaming. It's pretty damn hot. By the way, I use thighs in this. Like just over a pound. Yeah, delicious motherfuckers. You don't even know. I used to not want to make this stuff because it was too easy for Thai food. But it's friggin' so delicious. And the easier the better, right? It doesn't have to be hard to be good. I mean, I thought keema was hard, but I found out a way to simplify that and make it super easy. Anyway, guys, just wanted to bring you this content. Have a great night. Please like and subscribe and watch one of these next videos on the screen. Alright, guys, I love you. Have a good one. Peace.